our first thing that we see here is this jet right here. Yeah, there it is. It's kind of cold out here. Oh god, by Simplify there's a jet right there. I'm gonna go get a shot of it. Let me go get those aircraft first. Wait. Oh, look at that. Wow. Eye camera. Okay. I'm gonna go get that jet. Okay, there is an actual jet over there. I hear it powering on. It's by Simplify. Whoa! It is loud. Whoa! That's what it is. Let me pause and take a picture of it. That's a nice jet, isn't it, guys? I already got a picture of it on the iPhone. Just so you guys know, I don't know if it's gonna have a flight or not, and I'm not dressed properly. Oh jeez, it might have a flight, guys. Guys, I think it's shutting down. Maybe not. It's got 3 engines, guys. Not even kidding you. 3 engines. Let's do more close-up to it. There's the plane. Wow. N500BL. I think it's Bravo Lima. I think that's what it stands for. November 500 Bravo Lima. Alright guys, I don't know when this is going to leave, but it looks like it's getting ready to. Hope I don't get in trouble standing here, because I never film on this side of the airport, so hopefully I'm not going to get in trouble filming this plane. I should have worn my hoodie, guys. I'm going to get sick. I got to check the time too, because 3 o'clock I believe I have to... Oh crap, it's 2:30. Okay, I got time. Yeah, because before I go to Simplify, guys, I kind of want to go to see if JA has any aircraft. So I think you guys have seen enough of that. So, there you guys have it. Alright, guys, we are currently on our way back. Guys, we're currently on our way to JA. I'm kind of in a t-shirt. And so, right now, the current time is 2:36. And so, like, in a half an hour, I gotta be at the, I've gotta be at, Simplify. So... Oh shit, there's a freaking plane over there. Did you guys see it? The camera wasn't zoomed in. Well, let's go to the JA side and go look at the aircraft. And, yeah, I don't want that guy to look at me. So you guys can stare at the ground for a sec. So, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, there's the plane right there. A little C-172. Oh, jeez. Don't distract me. I'm trying to make a video. Okay, wait, actually. Focus. There it goes. There we go. There we are. And there it goes. Alright, there goes the plane. There it goes. Let's see where it's going to taxi to. Oh man, do I love these little planes. They're so cool. Let me zoom into this. There you go. Cheater. Amateur camera person zooming into the object. Sorry guys for the shakes. Gotta zoom in even more now. Here we go. And that's it.